So what I can recommend to you guys after creating an account for Gate.io cryptocurrency exchange, please ensure to also complete the security verification. I recommend that you also do a two-factor authentication for your Gate.io account for security and privacy reasons. And kumpletuhin na natin ipasa yung ating mga customer information details including valid IDs. Ayan. So kung makikita nyo, nare-recommend mismo ni Gate.io na mag-enable ng two-factor authentication para makaiwas tayo sa phishing or yung mga nangahack ng account. So ito yung logo ng Google Authenticator. Ang gagawin nyo on your phone, kailangan nyo rin mag-install ng Google Authenticator. Madali lang naman i-download yon from the Google Play Store. And once na install nyo na yung susundan nyo lang yung mga next step na sasabihin dito sa website ni Gate.io. Ayan, so two-factor authentication, click here. So kung makikita nyo guys, the TOTP code from Google Authenticator is needed every time you use your Gate.io account. Do not delete it on your Google Authenticator or uninstall your Authenticator from your device. Kung hindi daw mag-work yung Google Authentication, i-resync nyo lang by doing basic troubleshooting. Settings, time correction for codes, sync now with the current server time. So, ganun lang siya. And then to enable the two-factor authentication, just click on the click here button. So, meron namang mga steps na ipoprovide si Gate.io website para makumpleto mo yung two-factor authentication. So, ang step 1, install Google Authenticator on your smartphone. Yung step 2 naman, set up your Google Authenticator. Merong dalawang options kung paano ma-add sa Google Authenticator yung Gate.io account mo. Yung una, yung QR code from the Google Authenticator app, merong camera feature doon, and then automatically magsisync na yung Gate.io account mo doon sa Google Authenticator na na-install mo sa phone mo. And then the other way is to enter a specific key para mag-sync yung Gate.io account mo and yung Google Authenticator na naka-install sa phone mo. So ito naman yung step 3, input the 6-digit dynamic code from your Google Authenticator. So guys, tip lang for the Google Authenticator, once ma-install mo siya sa phone, every time na magla-login ka on your Gate.io account and you open your Google Authenticator from your phone, magre-refresh yun automatically and magbibigay yun automatically ng 6-digit number. So yun yung ilalagay mo dito sa TOTP. Yung fan password mo, yun yung second password na hiningi kanina sa registration ng Gate.io. And then another separate email. So kailangan mo lang i-click yung send email code para you will receive another code from your email na ilalagay mo dito sa space provided para you can finally complete the two-factor authentication and enable this feature. Ayan. So, once na ma-enable nyo na yung two-factor authentication, yung susunod na page, it will ask you to disable TOTP, which means na successfully set up na or enabled yung two-factor authentication for your Gate.io account. So, ang ibig sabihin nitong page na to, okay na yung two-factor authentication. So, after this, ang ginawa ko dito, meron ng know your customer or yung KYC process. So, yun na yung susunod natin gagawin to finalize yung registration natin for Gate.io cryptocurrency exchange. Okay. So, i-revisit nyo lang yung account information sa Gate.io to ensure that lahat ng mga steps na dadaanan nyo is nag-take effect sa inyong account. Now, right after we enable the two-factor authentication for our Gate.io cryptocurrency exchange account, I recommend that we complete the KYC process as soon as possible. So, in my case, I selected individual. And then just click on the Verify Now button. So my KYC, enter basic information. So enter nyo lang yung country, syempre Philippines tayo. Your full name, need mong i-enter yung full name mo. Ibig sabihin, ang ginawa ko dito yung buo kong pangalan. Yung middle name is yung buong middle name. And then kung merong suffix yung pangalan mo, lagay mo lang. Pagkatapos, it will ask you to re-enter your full name again. Okay. For the identity document type, merong tatlong options dito. One can be your national ID. The second one can be your driver's license. And the third one can be your passport ID. So just input the identity document number. And then we're also required to upload the front portion and the back portion of our identity document type. And dito sa baba ng page, makikita nyo na yung gate.io personal ID. And dito sa baba ng page, makikita nyo rin yung basic information nyo and your gate.io ID. And dun sa last part ng KYC or know your customer process, to complete the basic information, kailangan nating picturean yung sarili natin na hawak-hawak yung identity ID na sinend natin for Gate.io account information. Now, once makomplete mo na lahat ng requirements, all you need to do is to confirm and submit.